Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're beginning with the essentials. Enable the Health app and confirm your Apple Watch is paired. Tap into Health settings and turn on heart rate, blood oxygen, and respiratory monitoring so data streams continuously. Once done, make sure permissions are granted for health and notifications. This lets the watch record in background. You'll want background app refresh active on both devices. These steps ensure the watch captures vitals automatically, no extra taps later, and set the foundation for Now you'll collect and inspect readings. On your watch, open heart or blood oxygen for immediate spot checks, hold still and follow on-screen prompts. On iPhone, go to Health Browse Vitals to view trends, averages, and daily charts. This shows what matters over time. If you want more data points, make sure sleep and workout detection are active so measurements increase. Also, adjust notification thresholds for high or low readings in the Health app settings to get alerts that match your needs. Finish by interpreting and maintaining reliability. You should compare trends rather than reacting to single readings. Look for sustained deviations and note context like exercise or medication. If numbers seem off, make sure the watch fits snugly, sensors are clean, and watch OS is current. These factors affect accuracy. If monitoring stops or values freeze, reboot both devices, toggle health permissions, and if needed, reset Health Sync. If problems persist, consult Apple support or your clinician. Accurate vitals depend on both proper setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.